In a world that's rapidly embracing digital solutions for virtually every need, the education sector is not left behind. The quest for platforms that seamlessly blend learning with technology has led to the rise of two notable contenders, Skool and Podia. But the big question is, which one stands out as the superior choice? Today, we'll help answer that question through this comparison video. And by the way, if you would like to sign up to either Podia or Skool, make sure to use my affiliate links down in the description of this video. Clicking on my links doesn't cost you anything extra, and it helps me support this channel. And with that in mind, let's get started. Course creation and management. Skool offers an extensive suite of features for creating and managing courses. Educators can develop immersive and interactive learning experiences by incorporating a variety of content types, including text, videos, quizzes, and more. The platform enables detailed tracking of student progress and promotes interaction through assignments and community features. However, its wide array of features may overwhelm beginners. Podia presents a more streamlined approach, focusing on simplicity and ease of use. Its intuitive course builder allows quick setup and launching of courses, appealing to users who prefer a no-fuss solution. While Podia supports basic course structures well, it lacks the depth it features that Skool offers, which may be a limitation for more advanced course setups. E-commerce and marketing tools. Skool integrates a comprehensive e-commerce solution, allowing for various pricing models like subscriptions and payment plans. Its marketing tools are robust, featuring email marketing capabilities, customizable landing pages, and SEO tools to enhance course visibility. Skool also boasts an affiliate program leveraging word of mouth for course promotion. Podia, in contrast, focuses on simplicity in its e-commerce features, supporting diverse pricing options without transaction fees. Its marketing tools, including basic email marketing and sales page creation, are designed for ease of use but may not offer the breadth of options available on Skool. The simplicity might appeal to users new to online course selling, but could be limiting for those looking to expand their marketing efforts. Community engagement and interaction. Community features are pivotal in online learning, and Skool excels in creating spaces for student collaboration and discussion. It encourages a vibrant learning community, allowing educators to interact closely with students, provide personalized feedback, and foster a supportive learning environment. Podia offers basic community interaction tools, such as a commenting system within courses for student and instructor communication. While this facilitates some level of engagement, it lacks the dedicated community spaces that Skool provides, potentially affecting the richness of the learning experience. User experience. Both platforms prioritize user experience, with Skool featuring a modern, intuitive interface conducive to both teaching and learning. Its responsive design ensures accessibility on various devices, enhancing learner engagement. Podia counters with its own user-friendly design, emphasizing simplicity and functionality. Both platforms are mobile responsive, but Skool offers more advanced customization options for those seeking a more tailored teaching and learning environment. Integration capabilities. Skool's integration capabilities are extensive, connecting with a wide range of tools for content sharing, communication, payment processing, and course management. This versatility makes it an attractive option for educators looking for a comprehensive solution. Podia's integration list is shorter but focused, offering connections with essential services like email marketing and analytics tools. While not as extensive as Skool's, Podia's integrations are carefully chosen to add significant value to the platform. Pricing comparison. Skool opts for a simple pricing strategy, offering a single, all-inclusive package at $99 per month. This plan includes access to all features without hidden costs, making budgeting straightforward for educators. Podia's pricing model includes a free plan with basic features and transaction fees, and two paid plans, Mover and Shaker, at varying costs and features. This tiered approach provides flexibility for users to choose based on their needs, but costs can add up as more features are required. User support and community. Support and community are critical for user satisfaction. Skool shines with its prompt, reliable support, and a vibrant community of educators sharing insights and resources. This combination enhances the platform's value, providing users with a supportive network. Podia also offers commendable support, including live chat, but many experience longer response times during peak hours. Its user community is active, but the level of collaboration and support might not match the depth found in Skool's community. Platform updates and future roadmap. Both platforms are committed to continual improvement, but Skool's transparent roadmap and regular updates driven by user feedback suggest a forward-thinking approach that may better meet the evolving needs of digital educators. Podia continues to roll out updates and new features, although without a public roadmap. It's harder for users to anticipate future enhancements. So, your choice between Skool and Podia hinges on your specific needs. Skool suits those wanting a comprehensive platform with advanced course options, marketing tools, and community features, perfect for growth-focused educators. Podia, known for its simplicity and ease, caters well to beginners and small businesses looking for a straightforward start in course creation and sales without hefty investments. Simply put, choose Skool for extensive features and scalability, or Podia for an uncomplicated, user-friendly experience. And don't forget that if you would like to sign up to either Skool or Podia, I'm going to leave my affiliate links to their website down in the description of this video. Clicking on my links doesn't cost you anything extra, and it helps me support the channel. Thank you for watching. Till next time.